Most of the people know me already because it's not the first time that we are working together with Greemed in the region to learn doctors, nurses how to use perfectly the vascular access products.
I'd like to thank Greemed for inviting Vygon through to Albania to help support vascular access within the region. We are fully committed to bringing research, bringing new technology and supporting training for existing and new doctors to be able to use all types of vascular access devices. Most important is to be able to choose the right device for the right patient at the right time, and Vygon and Greemed will bring those devices to the fore so that doctors and nurses can choose those devices for the best care for their patients.
My background is as a vascular access nurse for many years, so I'm very committed and want to help people do the right thing when it comes to vascular access. Choosing the correct device for the patients, inserting these safely and making sure that the patients get the best care possible where vascular access is concerned. We always like to work very closely in partnership with Greemed and with medical teams to make sure that we are doing all we can to make vascular access safe and accessible for all patient groups.
Thanks to my colleagues like Linda and Jason who make it happen, who make it perfectly how to use the right patient on the right product and on the right time. We were successful in Kosovo, we were successful here in the region, in Balkan. We do now more and more to the east. So for me, at the end, the aim is successful.